Welcome guys. Welcome to Daily Crypto Trading. Today we're going to do a TA of GMT. A member of mine asked to do a TA of GMT, I believe weeks ago in my Discord server and in my Telegram server, alright? So I did a TA of GMT. Now in my TA, I saw a Elliott wave count to 5 and then an ABC correction, but I also saw some bearish divergence, and I wrote to him, does not see that steady to me because he saw GMT as steady because a lot of people got FOMO'd in, right? I wrote a bearish divergence daily overhype and extended matter of time before it pops. All right, and before, just let me explain it. Before Bitcoin corrected or did a flash crash, GMT actually crashed down to these kind of levels. It did hit us a fib level 1.618 and went up to the golden ratio and went down again. And lo and behold, guys, it did exactly what I anticipated. Look, I'm not a bear on GMT, not bull either. I'm just a TA guy, and I saw what the charts were telling me, and I just performed and told my members in Discord and Telegram, this is what I'm seeing at the moment. So I don't have any hate, any thought, anything like that towards this project. I do believe it's a great project, to be honest. But in TA wise, I saw this outcome. Alright, it was just such a high probability. We had an Elliott wave count up to 5. We needed the ABC correction. Alright, we saw a falling volume. Alright, we had a bearish divergence on the chart. Alright, every indicator was telling us is about to pop, as I was explaining my members in Discord and Telegram, which is free, guys. You guys can join as well. All right, and this was before the Bitcoin correction, as you guys see in the date below. All right, after the correction, yeah, it went of course more down than anticipated. Question are at the moment, where are we headed? Now, normally we can have something like this. Let me just show you guys. All right, let me just show you. We can have something which is called a 5-3-5 structure, and that is if we have a bull and bullish momentum. We don't have that. All right, that means we have a 5 Elliott wave up and 3 down and a 5 up. All right, which will just be a big ABC to the upside before we see a big correction again. We don't have any kind of bullish momentum at the moment because of Bitcoin. Remember, all coins are heavily correlated with Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin say buy Felicia, as I've been saying the last 4 years, then you bet your ass that GMT and all the altcoins will fall further down, especially when we are nearing a bear market. All right, a lot of these altcoins will bottom out, and then it will be a great buying opportunity if you're holding for the long term. Just always do your own due diligence, do your research if you want to buy these kind of tokens or coins. I am not your financial advisor to tell you what to buy and sell, but what I'm seeing at the moment is a bearish structure. However, we have some reversal ideas. So if you look at the daily yet again, and the RSI, we are oversold, usually mean we have some kind of bounce back. At the RSI stock, we are oversold. Again, we have to have some bounce back. And the MACD, we are oversold, showing that we might have a turning point. But again, guys, remember, Bitcoin is king in this market, all right? And Bitcoin is correlated with the S&P 500, the stock tech, the traditional market, which is in the macroeconomic perspective not looking that good, all right? So if Bitcoin drops further down, which I do believe it will, then all coins will drop even further. You bet your GMT will crash even more if this happens. Now we need to see what kind of support areas we have, right? We can use the VPVR and we can use a fib level, all right? Because looking at the volume at the moment, it's not looking that impressive, to be honest. That's not great volume to have some kind of kickstart. Remember, guys, these are only probability, all right? If you want to have some hopium, maybe other channels perfect for you. This channel is not hopium, is proper TA. I don't care if you don't like it. It is what it is. That is what I'm seeing in the chart. I'm telling you guys. But again, remember, these are probabilities, no guarantees. So to give you just a bit of hopium, the chart can go like this if Bitcoin go like this, all right? But I don't think it will. That is not what the chart are telling me, and the trend is your friend. Some trading setup for a short-term price action. We can actually look at the 21 SMA, right? It blew through the 21 SMA in the forward chart, and at the moment is struggling at the 30 SMA. this can also be a great opportunity to short it, right? If you're going to swing trade it, because at the moment we are seeing it is getting rejected at the 30th SMA. And look at the RSI in the 4 chart, it is getting below 50, which means it's on a downtrend, and we are getting oversold. That usually means that we have a reversal idea to the downside, and support area might be all the way around this area. All right, let me just see where the support will be. So around this area, where there's some liquidity. All right, so 0.8 cent. All right, guys, that is how much? That is, yeah, 45%. This can happen, guys. And again, I don't want to fault the project. I'm just seeing what it is in the chart, guys. Please don't get mad at me. I know a lot of people get mad when I do these kind of TA. They always want to push some kind of bullish agenda. And I don't want to be in that narrative, because then I'm just lying to myself and lying to you guys. This is what I'm seeing in the chart. No, doesn't mean that it can go up. This is just a high probability because it heavily correlates with Bitcoin. So yeah, guys, we did get a relief rally, but I am seeing some reversal ideas to the downside. So a short position could be a great position for yourself if you insert. But remember, I am not a financial advisor. I will never tell you what to buy or sell. Always do your own due diligence. If you're buying for the long term, all right, you can DC weigh you down, but don't DC weigh you down all the time, all right? Find the right momentum. When things are down 50%, 60%, maybe a great idea to DC your way down, all right? So always have risk management in check. If you don't have risk management, you're just gambling your money away, guys. Do proper TA, follow my channel. I will show you guys all for free. I'm not some kind of TA guru, right? I'm gonna ask you for thousands of dollars. I'm just a regular guy seeing, showing what I'm seeing in the chart. And people who've been following my channel, we are a small community. We have been really profitable so far. A big shout out to today's sponsor, MEXC Global Exchange. They're a top 20 exchange with billion of volume and thousands of tokens. You can make an account all for free with no KYC, know your customer, and trade up to 10 Bitcoins. You also get a 10 BTC airdrop and $500 giveaway from MEXC Global by using my link provided down below, guys. Remember, guys, look at the Bitcoin chart, all right? Because if Bitcoin, say by Felicia, go further down, it will push the price down for the GMT. All right, don't believe these bullish narratives when we are in a bear market. I'm talking sincerely and generally in my own experience from 2018. I followed big YouTubers who gave me hopium and I lost everything. I learned the hard way. I hope you guys do risk management. If you're not following my channel, that's fine. Follow someone who do proper TA, not all kind of goddamn hopium. As for the market dominance of Bitcoin and altcoins, we are seeing right now, guys, that we were holding the support, but Bitcoin dominance just broke the resistance area, all right, and then we are going to enter a new resistance area at this level. If we keep continuing to go above these resistance level, altcoins dominance will fall down further, mean devastating for the altcoin. This does mean Bitcoin is outperforming the altcoins, and the altcoins will suffer the most. However, if it gets rejected, goes down to the support level, we will have some reversal idea. This TA will get invalidated and we will have some higher high. But at the moment, just look at this chart. There's no way in hell we have a higher high. All right, we actually have a lower low. Well, actually, we do not have a lower low, but when we go at lower low from this, then we have a lower low. Yeah, from the 0.7 cent, then we have a lower low, and yeah, then that is just a bearish structure. Then we will have a further downside. All right, now that is actually a great buying opportunities, because remember, guys, millionaires and wealth are made in bear market. Trust me when I say this. I've been through this in 5 years. All right. I bought at the top in 2017, lost everything in 2018, but reorganized and learned all of these things and bought at the bottom in 2018 and 19. I even have videos of 88 Cardano where I bought for almost nothing, which did in this current bull market, or in the 2021 bull market, a 100x. All right, guys, you can check my videos. It's 4 years old. And as always, guys, remember to look at the Fear Greed Index, because this will be your friend, all right, if you do any TA. Read the people's sentiment. Just look at Twitter, the sentiment. Crypto is a scam, I lost my money, life saving, and all these kind of nonsense because people have no idea how to trade properly, risk management. But anyhow, you buy at fear, you sell at greed. At the moment, the fear is all the time there. That's because we're in a bear market, all right? So we have bear structure. That means extreme fear will keep pushing the price down. Now, we will have some reversal idea sooner or later, but I'm not seeing the structure yet. Once we have the structure and Bitcoin goes to the upside, most of the altcoins will actually still suffer. Yeah, I know that's weird, but it will suffer because Bitcoin will outperform many of these altcoins. But when Bitcoin settles and goes really above, right, that's the time where altcoin booms and we will have an altcoin season. I will be there in the bear market, guys, and in the bull market. Just remember that. And if we just scroll down, all right, and we say max, we can see this greed and fear index. We see when we are greedy, extreme greedy, right? When people are extreme greedy, the market just take all the money and the sentiment in a single day just change to, to greed, to fear, all right? It's always the same story. Always the same story. People get extreme greedy at the top. A lot of new investors come in, but get greedy and then they just got wrecked, all right? Because other people, a lot of traders like myself and the people who is in my Discord and Telegram server will use these indicators which I am teaching all for free. No guru, no asking for $1,000 or anything like that. They will see this and they of course learn the same thing as I do, and we will buy the fear and we will sell the greed to the next upcoming bull run. If you're still here, I assume you enjoyed the TF GMT. On the left corner there will be a recommending video, so I recommend you to watch the next upcoming tier of mine. And of course guys, see you on the Discord server.